The following is a tutorial video on how to make full use of the MAWL styled laser lights device. Currently it's on its off position. As you can see, this means that no matter if you press the A button or the B button, the device will not turn on at all. At the same time, the A button is for visible laser and light. The B button is for infrared laser and lights. To know which area is coming from which, top is visible lights, bottom is infrared lights, left is visible laser, right is infrared laser. The device I'm using right now is the green version. As you can see, the indicator here is green. If you flick it to the IR position, both A and B button will be engaged. So right now I'm on the completely bottom position. Medium is the middle position, high is the top position. The bottom position only works for visible lights, momentary function only. As you can see, I can spam it all I want. At the same time, if I point it to my camera, like so, you can see that the infrared light is on, as you can see. If I flick it to the medium position, I can play with the laser and the lights, the infrared and the visible laser and lights. So if I press the button once, if I double tap it, when I double tap the A button, light will turn on. If I hold it for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, the laser will turn on. If I press it again, the lights will turn off. If I hold it for 3 seconds, laser will turn off. At the same time, if I double tap it again and flick it to the high position, brightness will increase. At the same time, if I turn on the laser, 1, 2, 3, it will show the high position, and when I flick it back to the 1, 2, 3, if I flick it to high position, so right now it's the medium position, flick it to high, brightness will increase for the laser. Now it's medium position, and I can turn it off again by holding it 3 seconds. You can do the combo again with the light and the laser turn on, or just in the individual only. At the same time, for the IR position, double tap and infrared lights will turn on. Hold it for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and the infrared laser will also turn on. If I hold it for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, infrared laser will turn off, or I can press once to turn off the light as well. And that should be all the functions, whether you want it to be high precision or medium precision for medium brightness, high brightness, and at the same time you can turn on A or B button. You can only choose either visible laser and lights or infrared laser and lights. At the same time, this is the green laser, so do be careful where you point it at. Do not point it at people, please. And thank you very much.